Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna work on the 68 Baja Bug. One morning when I was backing up the Baja Bug, it's actually stopped right away. I thought I hit something, but it didn't hit anything. But it's actually stuck. Something got stuck in the tire. So I think it's the brake system or the drum brake got the stuck. Or worst case, it's a transmission. So I think I'm gonna start with the brake. So take apart the brake. So this is the brake drum. In order to remove this, you have to remove this nut. But this nut is super tight. First you want to do is just remove this pin. But after that, this torque is so high, so you can't really remove it without any the special tools. What I'm gonna use is this tool. So put this guy here and put this guy like this, and this will give the more leverage on the nut so that we can remove the nut. Okay. Okay. So with this tool, it's very easy, but without this tool, I have experience of struggling on this nut for a long time. Okay. Nice. I released the parking brake, so you can take it out. This side, it looks dirty, but it's not really that bad. Okay, I think I'm gonna clean this. Okay, this is what I got. So I found this guy sticking here. So I think this guy popped out from somewhere and stuck in. That's why I got that's weird, the locking. I think this is the pin or something. I'll figure it out. I'll work on the other side.これやりたないな。よいしょ。Okay, I know what it was. So this is the other side. This is the pin that was lost. So that is for the parking brake arm, and this is the pin what actually fell off. So this is from the other side. It's my pin here. Okay, that's clear. Okay, and this pin is missing. So I have the brand new brake shoe set for the rear, and also I got the for front long time ago. I remember one time they took it apart and found out that the brake shoe was still fine, so I didn't replace it. But this time I'm gonna put the new brake shoes. Great. I got a new ring, so this is different styles I think, but I think they're gonna work. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, I kicked the brake a little bit, a couple of times. Okay, now it's actually averaged out. I'll go a little bit more because now it's not scratching. Okay, it's a little bit touching. Okay, so I'm gonna lock the parking brake and tighten this guy. Okay, it's not locked. So according to the manual, this axle nut tightening torque is 250 foot-pound, and this device will multiply the torque by 9 times. So the 250 divided by 9 is 27.7. So I'm gonna use the torque wrench and tighten this with 30 foot-pound, and that will make about 270 foot-pound. So that's more than enough. Okay. I think I gotta go back a little bit. Okay, so the other side. So I hope you can see the hole here, and this slit has to match to the hole so that I can push the this pin inside. So that's why the tightening torque is not really quite the exact number. Parking brake is on, but this side is not really. No, the parking brake is locked, so that means the adjustment is not really good. So I think I'm gonna tighten this adjustment a little bit more before tightening this guy. So I loosen the parking brake and I'm gonna tighten this guy more. So this is the parking brake handle. As you can see, there are two wires. So they're gonna tighten this wire more. And that's how I can adjust the balance. Okay, I adjusted the balance and now this doesn't move. That's good. So I'm gonna put again, this is a hole for the pin. I have to remember the position. Oh, I'm gonna go with 30. Okay, this is 30. Oh. I think I have to go a little bit more. Oh no, a little bit less. I think a little bit less. Oh, I think I can pull it. That's just a coincidence, but I think I'll go a little bit less. Okay, perfect. And bend it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put the tire in this dump. Okay, 75. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna do the test drive. Let me wrap up. The test drive went well. So it was actually the pin on the right rear brake fell off and they stuck between the drum and the shoe. So it's not really a good accident, but fortunately that happens right after I backed up from the garage, so they didn't have any serious issues. But anyways, the replacing the rear the brake shoe is not that difficult, but my experience is that if you don't have that tool, torque magnifying tool for the axle nut, then it's gonna be really difficult. So you might either have the impact wrench or that tool. And I bought that tool and I really appreciate I did it because that's really helpful. And you know, as you watched, I didn't have any problem on that. But when I first tried to loosen that big nut, I had a really difficult time, and I couldn't even loosen it. So especially if it's old, you cannot really do that. So I recommend you get that tool, and then your job will be very easy. Okay, thank you very much. I think I'm gonna replace the front shoe tomorrow, and I'm gonna make another YouTube video. Thank you. Bye.